Hey everyone, it's Kiki with Kiki's Paper Crafts. I'm back with another video for you. I have a mini album project share for you tonight. It's actually 2 a.m. right now. I just finished this album. I need to get it to the person who it's for tomorrow or today, and wanted to get it. I just needed to get it finished, and so I worked all night after work on it. So I used Echo Park's Special Delivery Baby Girl by Lori Whitlock. I ended up getting 3 packs. One thing that I'm going to have to be better about is I now have 3 sticker sheets, and I do not need 3 sticker sheets. I also used the Coordinating Solids paper pack. I used 2 full paper packs, and I ended up getting a few extra sheets. The last time there was a sale, they didn't have the Coordinating Solid paper pack was sold out, and some of the pages, like single sheets, were sold out. So I got extras of some. So there's a lot of pink in this, and then because it's made of craft, this color just blended in very well. So I didn't use as much of that because it didn't look like there was any paper on it at all. Um, I wanted to go over a couple of the things that I used. For this thread, it's just the Coats and Clark brand of metallic gold thread. I got it at Joann when they were going out of business, and I just wadded it up and made it hopefully look pretty. And then I also used, for these flowers, I used just this die set that I had gotten off of either Temu or AliExpress. I think Temu. It was when I was first starting out getting supplies and didn't know there was other places to go for those dies. And then I guess I can show you how much of the sticker pack I used. I'm not very good at using stickers. I have so many dies that I tend to use those, but I tried to be a little bit better about it this time. So um, I did use a good amount of them. The other thing that with this pack is that the album, this is the same album that I had posted for my first video, Project 39 Mini Albums. Debbie's album tutorial is what I used, and I still made the same adjustment on the spine, but everything else is the same. So uh, because of that, each page is a month, and this sticker pack has a lot of hello baby, baby shower, um, hello baby girl, hello world, and so it's very much, it feels like an intro to a first couple of months as opposed to being able to use them when the baby's closer to 1 year. So I used as many as I could for what I thought looked good. So the first thing I guess we'll go over is the front of the album. It seems quite subdued. I did watch Paul Ford's video on how to doodle, and it helped me so much. And so you can see I incorporated that around the edges here and then on the spine as well. So this is the spine. It's just a simple, I used a sticker from the sticker pack and then some of the coordinating enamel dots. And then here's the back. I was going to do my hexagon pattern that I had done previously, but I didn't like how they were cutting out, how the hexagons were cutting out. There was a lot of ripped and torn edges, and I didn't like how they looked. And so I went with, and I had the extra paper, so I went with just a sheet of paper, and then I used a sticker from the sticker pack. But I also incorporated around here the little doodling. So inside, we have our waterfall. And again, I incorporated all of these pages are stamped and have doodling and will fit a 4x6 photo just on top of them. And I didn't use heavy duty cardstock for the waterfall pages, so they can handle the extra bulk. And then with this ribbon being so large or long, it'll have room to grow to be able to tie it. And then we open up here. This will actually hold a 3x5 photo, and this will hold a 4x6. So I just did some stickers from the sticker pack, and then I used it's Echo Park. My table's a mess, but it is over here somewhere, I thought. Here it is. I used this. It's the designer stamps. I think it's Always and Forever, but I used this camera for the stamps. And then I have a tutorial for the letter boards for each of the months. So this is just stickers from the sticker pack. And then it opens up like this. And I used that sticker, and I used baking soda on all of these. Just I had a plate of baking soda, and I used a little finger dauber and dipped it, and then so none of these are stuck down. And then this opens this way, and same goes for this. This can just fit something underneath it. Let's see if I have anything over here that I can grab really quick. Here we go. So that just can fit a picture underneath it. And then I did something new. Normally, I'm really big on using border punches, and I wanted to use a border punch for this one, but then I changed it up. I had received my packages from KS Crafts, and so I used this die, it's right here, from her tab set. And I made each of these have tabs. And because I wanted as little, I think there's a 1/16 of an inch here, the paper actually goes over the tab where it's held on, and it looks fine. But that's one side, and then here's the other. And with this, I didn't use heavy duty cardstock. So the cardstock that I use to make the album is heavy duty. I got it from Michaels, and the waterfall and the inserts are made out of 65-pound craft cardstock. So we'll turn this, and we've got some inserts. This will hold a 3x5, and then this holds a 4x6. And then this flips up, and there's that pocket, and then this flips down. And then this opens. And then I have a sticker from the sticker pack, and it easily can have something go behind it. My dog just came in. I think he thinks it's time to go to bed. So if you hear that, that's what that is. All right, so here for 3 months, this just lifts up. Because this is going to people that I'm not going to be able to like show them how it opens. I tried to add as many little things as I could so that they would know that things pull out or things open. So I used a ribbon set that I got from, I believe it's Joann. Oh no, it's Michaels. So it's Celebrate It. I don't even know. It's classic. It's just polyester ribbon. even think that there's a color name to it, but it was just in the Michaels ribbon aisle, but it's just thin ribbon, but it matches quite well. So this pulls up. I think I already showed you this, but we'll go over it again. And then this matches actually really well. And it tucks back in really well. All right, so here we've got a couple of things. This seam binding is from My Scrap Cabin Shop. It's on Etsy. I'll link it. It's Carolina from Carolina's Crafts. She has a code, and I will put that in the down below as well. But I believe it's my Scrap Cabin Shop on Etsy. And then I just used the coordinating ribbon. So this die set is actually a pocket die from Maddie's Crafting Joy. It's a slot tag set. And I just used the outside portion of it. But it's slot tag set by Maddie's Crafting Joy. I think on Amazon. If I can find it, I'll find it and link it. But it fits really well in here. I made the holes and just used reinforcer on them. And then on this insert, I did add a ribbon so that they can pull it out. And then I tried a new technique here where it's a tag and it slides on to keep the doors closed. And then it opens, and then 5 months is hiding here. It actually stops the tag from going all the way through. The only thing that is a little bit difficult, but I've gotten good at it now, is getting it to where the tag can go in and slide down. But I've been practicing a lot so that I can make sure that I can teach my coworker how to do it. And then this pulls out. And we get to the middle of the album. And this opens. There are inserts. This is actually opens this way, and then I have the doodling here and then on the back. And then on the other side, there is just a simple insert paper mat, photo mat. Goodness, it is 2 a.m. So that's 6th and 7th months. And then we've got this coordinating paper. And then here we've got the other one. This slides up and the doors open, and we've got just a simple sticker that says "You hung the moon" for 8 months. And then it stops the tag from going all the way down. I did have on this one, and then on this one, it's the same thread. And then the enamel dots and the ephemera pack is what I used for this. And then for 9 months, we've got the same ribbon, seam binding, tags, and then this ribbon so that they can, oh, here's the back. so they can pull it out and they know that it comes out. And then got this coordinating one. This paper is very cute. I liked all of the sheets in it. And this one, even though it does match the cardstock with the polka dots on it, it's very cute. I really like it. I was happy that I was able to incorporate it because I did really like it. And then for month 10, I didn't use, on the last album, I made this a little bit longer and I was able to fit a 4x4 up here, but I didn't do it on this one. And then I don't have any closure and it has not been a problem. I was going to do like a swing tab and I decided against it. There was just not enough room and the swing tab wasn't working. And so instead of messing things up, I just left it. And with this and the ribbon, it holds it down. It hasn't been a problem at all, happily. And then we've got these photo mats with the doodling. Oh, and then this lifts up and this pulls down. And then we'll put these back in here before I open it. Oh, open it. Oh, it opens this way. Goodness. And then this isn't glued down or stuck down, so pictures can go underneath. And then I did cut off, I don't know if you can really see it, but I did cut off one sentence or one set of words and from this paper as a border. And then here's this one. Oh, oops. That is not the right place. Here we go. And then we've got this page for 12 months. It actually says 1 year on the inside here. You could do 12 months or 1 year. I don't know how long, but I do not have children. I do not know how long babies go for being called months, but it is a 1 year as well. So either is fine, I guess. But I used stickers from the sticker pack or the sticker sheet. And there's some more inside here where we've got cute and cuddly, just a small, making sure that the front's okay. Just a small little sticker over here. And then this opens and we've got sweet dreams. And like the rest of them, there's a room underneath for a picture. And then I was going to do like a figure 8 closure on this, but it's too long to do that here. The last one, maybe I made this shorter by accident or something. I don't know, but it's too long. So I just did magnets and it has worked. It's fine. It's perfectly fine. And then there are some photo mats in here. And then this is a card, or it could go this way. I didn't stamp these because they can go either way, and I didn't want people to think that they had to use it just one direction. So more photo mats in the back for baby's first birthday or whatever they would like. And then we get to the end of the album. And here's the back again. I'm really glad this one's done, and hopefully the video turns out okay. I am going to go to bed. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.